Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Comments Objective Past Question 47. The documents that gives the holder the right to take possession of goods that have been shipped is A. Airway bill, B. Bill of lading, C. Certificate of insurance, D. Consignment note, E. Delivery note. So what you have here are some documents involved in transportation. Documents involved in transportation. Now, A, which is airway bill, is a document made out by the consignor of goods to be transported by air that shows the names of the consignee, airport of loading, and value of the goods to be transported. Now, option B, which is bill of lading, is a document that gives the holder the right to acquire possession of goods that have been shipped. Option C, certificate of insurance, shows that goods have been insured against risk or loss by the exporter. Now, option D, which is a consignment note, is a document made out by the sender of goods, handed to the carrier and countersighted by the consignee on delivery as proof that delivery has been made. And option E, which is the delivery note, is a document which normally accompanies delivery of goods. It shows also that goods have been delivered. So from what we've seen here, you agree with me that option B, which is bill of lading, is the document which gives the holder the right to take or acquire possession of goods that have been shipped. So as it is described in the question, so also we have explained option B, bill of lading, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.